In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect with a Teamviewer ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you need to provide technical support to a friend or access your own files from another location, Teamviewer lets you connect to a remote device quickly and effortlessly. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to install the Teamviewer host application. Begin by opening your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, and searching for Teamviewer. Head over to the official Teamviewer website, and you'll find an option to download the application. Once you download the file, follow the on-screen instructions to install Teamviewer on your device. Make sure to install it on both the device you want to control, the remote device, and the device you're using to connect, known as the local device. After the installation is complete, launch the Teamviewer application on both devices. You'll see a simple user interface with various options. The first thing to do is search for the Remote Support feature within the application. This feature is crucial as it allows you to connect to another device and control it remotely. Now, to establish a connection, you'll need what is known as the Teamviewer ID of the remote device. Ask the person who owns the device to provide their Teamviewer ID. Once you have this information, navigate to the Remote Control section on your local device. Here, you'll find a space to enter the ID of the remote device. Carefully input the provided ID into this field. Next, click on the Connect button. At this point, Teamviewer will prompt you to enter a password. This password is also supplied by the person on the remote device, so make sure they provide it to you. Enter the password when requested, ensuring it's typed accurately to avoid any access issues. If easy access is not enabled on the remote device, the person on the other end will need to manually grant permission for the connection to be established. Simply remind them to accept the connection request when they see it. This step ensures that all connections are secure and only authorized connections are allowed. And there you have it. You're now connected to the remote device using Teamviewer. From here, you'll have the ability to navigate, transfer files, and even troubleshoot issues as if you were sitting right in front of it. Teamviewer is a powerful and versatile tool that keeps you connected no matter where you are. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps simplify the process of connecting with a Teamviewer ID. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments if you encounter any difficulties. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay connected and stay productive.